Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Friday, October 15th, 2021. It is 6:23 and 23 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, black holes. So let's hop to it here. Philosophy. What exactly is a black hole? Date February 14, 2019. Source, Ludwig Maximilian University. A philosopher shows that physicists use different definitions of the concept, depending on their own particular fields of interest. A black hole is conventionally thought of as an astronomical object that irrevocably consumes all matter and radiation which comes within its sphere of influence. Physically, a black hole is defined by the presence of a singularity. Important example, a region of space bounded by an event horizon, within which the mass energy density becomes infinite, and the normally well-behaved laws of physics no longer apply. Researchers demonstrate a precise and agreed definition of the singular state proves to be frustratingly elusive. The properties of black holes are the subject of investigations in a range of subdisciplines of physics, in optical physics, in quantum physics, and of course in astrophysics. But each of these specialties approaches the problem with its own specific set of theoretical concepts. Phenomena such as black holes belong to a realm that is inaccessible to observation and experiment. Work based on the assumption that black holes exist therefore involves a level of speculation that is unusual even for the field of theoretical physics. However, this difficulty is what makes the physical approach to the nature of black holes so interesting from the philosophical point of view. The physical perspective on black holes is itself inextricably bound up with philosophical issues relating to ontological, metaphysical, and methodological considerations. A black hole is the ultimate prison. Once you check in, you can never check out. On the other hand, researchers think of black holes as objects in space, things that can move and be pushed around. Researchers say the definitions of black holes is a positive sign, as it enables physicists to approach the phenomenon from a variety of physical perspectives. However, in order to make productive use of this diversity of viewpoints, it will be important to cultivate a greater awareness of the differences and emphasis between them. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on Advanced Physics, Astronomy, and Computer Science. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.